Hey YouTube, welcome back. We have problem number 252 called meeting rooms. Basically here you given, let's go to the code here, start everything. So basically here you're given like an array of meetings time intervals. Each interval is represented as start and end, like 0, 30, 5 and 10 and 15 and 20. If each one represents the start and 10. And we need to determine if a person can attend all meetings, meaning no two meetings overlap at all. So in this one, I guess it's false because we have 0 to 30. And basically, this meeting will overlap with these two meetings. And this one is it will be true because we have from 2 to 4 and from 7 to 10. So, yeah, how we can solve this problem? I guess we first should sort these intervals by starting time, and after that we loop through the sorted intervals, and we compare basically the end time of the previous meeting with the start time of the current one. I'm quite sleepy today. So basically, if the start is less than the previous end, that means there is an overlap and we return false. Okay, let's see how we will do this. It's a pretty simple, easy problem. First, we sort this array. So intervals will equal dot sort, and we have like A and B, and we want to sort by start. So it will be A of 0 minus B of 0. Okay. After that, I'll create a for loop. So to loop through the intervals, I equals 1. Okay. And I is less than intervals dot length. And I guess I should be plus plus, right? I guess, yeah, I plus plus. And next, I guess it's pretty simple. We will search if there is an overlap. So basically, if the start is less than the previous end, like if the start is less than the previous end, that means we have an overlap. That's it. It's a pretty simple. So if I would say intervals, I don't want to write again. Intervals of the start, and the start it's at the first index is smaller than intervals of I minus 1 1. So basically, if the start is less than previous end, we return false. And if this loop goes well, we didn't return anything, we just return true. That means we have no overlap. Let's run and see. It did run. Let's submit and see. It did submit as well. It was pretty easy and simple problem to solve. So yeah, that's it for this problem, and see you in future problems.